Creating wooden projects with free or salvage materials can be really profitable, but it can turn into a nightmare fast. Knots, nails, shakes and cupping are just some of the issues that we have to deal with as woodworkers. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to overcome some of them whilst preserving as much usable material as possible. I got this wood free from Facebook Marketplace and it comes with its own complications. 4mm deep grooves in a 14mm deep board is quite a loss straight away. And each board has various amounts of cupping, some of them quite bad, and I'm going to lose 2 or 3mm if I was to use the board and try and get the full width. If you're not aware, I'm currently running a series where I'm trying to turn this wood into £5,000 or as close to it as I can get in just 6 months. On a challenge like this, the products that you need to make are not always going to be enjoyable to make. They need to be easy and quick to build. They need to offer decent returns. And of course, they need to be items that are selling. Here are some of the ideas that I've come up with so far. These coasters look absolutely stunning and they're worth every penny of the £16 plus postage I'm going to charge. To combat the grooves, what I've done is I've equaled the spacing on them and they look like they're intended. So I've no worries about having to thickness them down any further. They're a nice chunky fill. I've put 1 coat of Danish oil on and it will get another coat in a few hours when this is completely dry, and then they'll be ready to go. And I'll be listing them tonight. One of the best ways to add value, increase the price, and increase the chance of selling is to add personalization to any item. 2 key rings, 1 blank, 1 engraved. £7.50 for the blank, and I'll be charging £10 for the engraved one, and I'll be adding £1 or $1.30 to each if they wish to add a name. Also got them in the surfboard shape, again blank and engraved. Same prices, same upgrade options. I've just turned the grain on the surfboard one to add a bit more interest. I can get between 30 and 40 of these from the offcut after the coasters per board. Now, if I can get these moving, I'll make the £125 per board comfortably. Okay, so that's the last product for this week's episode. If you haven't already seen it, it's the clock. That is the correct time. I've been rushed off my feet today doing non-video related stuff. Let me show you the clock. It's very minimalistic. It's very thin. I've got a little oak block on the back with the hanger on so that it can fit with and allowing for the mechanism. I've had about 3 hours in the workshop today. That includes doing the templates for the key rings, doing the templates for the gift wrapping for the coasters, because that's coming with free gift wrapping, and trying to find the clock mechanism. I've got £15 or $19 on the coasters, 35-ish pound on the key rings, so $46, $47, and £35, $46, $47 for the clock. So about £85 I've taken some beauty shots. I'm going to go and list them on Etsy and eBay, and I'll show you briefly the amount of work I've done on the Etsy store so far. So I've designed a new banner, and this is the coasters with the workshop images. They're pretty decent for product images. The clock I need more images of in situ indoors, so that's going to happen later on this afternoon. And I've only put the surfing keyring up at the moment. I'll do the heart one later. I'm running out of time today. Check out the video in the top left hand corner for more products to make and sell.